Assalamualaikum friends, this is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to show you how to calculate the development length for a box. So let's start. Click on front plane and select sketch. Now draw a rectangle, define it 10 inch, 6 inch. Again draw a rectangle, press and hold Control key and select both of these lines and make relation collinear. Now insert dimension 6 inch. Again rectangle, select both of these lines and make relation collinear. Again select both of these lines and make relation equal. Now again rectangle, select all these three lines and make relation collinear. Select both of these lines and make relation equal. Insert dimensions 6 inch. A rectangle, make relation for both of these lines collinear and insert dimension 10 inch 6 inch. Again a rectangle and make relation collinear and the distance 1 inch. Now sketch fillet to both of these corners 20 millimeter and press OK. Now select trim entities command and trim all these points, all these lines and press OK button. Now in the sheet metal tab, click on base flange tab. If you don't have a sheet metal tab on your SolidWorks, right click here and then select sheet metal. So click on base flange tab. This is the thickness for extrusion, which will be 3 millimeter, which is OK. Press OK button. Now click on this face and select sketch. Control plus 8 for normal to. Select a line and draw it like this. Now in the sheet metal tab, click on sketch bend and then select this fixed face. Zoom in. These are the options for bending, and here is the degree for bending. Check out from this box, use default radius and write 0.1 millimeter as a default radius and press OK button. Again click on this face and select sketch, normal to and draw a line. In the sheet metal tab, click on sketch bend and select this face as fixed face. Check out this box 0.1 and press OK button. Again click on this face and select sketch. Draw a line. Sketch bend. Select this face. Check out from this box at 0.1 millimeter. Press OK button. Sketch on this plane face again, normal to, and draw a line. Sketch bend. Select this face. Check out from this box and 0.1 millimeter. Now click on OK button. Now click on this face and sketch, normal to. So now draw a line. Select this corner and then this line and make relation coincident. Now sketch bend. Select this face from this side and check out from this box 0.1, and instead of 90-degree bending, write 45 degrees and press OK button. Now again click on this face and select sketch, normal to, and draw a line. Smart dimensions. The distance between both of these lines is 1 inch. Press OK button. Now in the sheet metal tab, sketch bend and select this face as a fixed face. Check out from this box and 0.1 millimeters. And the degree should be 100. Press OK button. Now apply some scenes. Click on part and then click on appearance, and in appearance select any of the appearance like carpet cloth, Now your box is ready. If you want to unfold this box, just click on flatten button, and here is the and here is the development for this box. Now again, if you press flatten button, it will be folded. Thanks for watching and sparing time for my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel for more.